What is up, YouTube? How is everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing great. So, today is Monday. Apple. It is up 34 cents today. It is up 0.23% on the day. Nothing too crazy. But there was a lot of crazy stuff that happened this morning. And I will put you guys onto that right now. So, let's look at the day. Let's review the day. So today's volume is 93 million, which is it's not too crazy, but it's above average because average is around 80 million. We already discussed that. Um, RSI on the daily is 38.93. Nothing too crazy. It's still neutral in my opinion. I wanted to see it drop just a little bit more. Um, let's break it down. Let's do what we always do. Oh, I forgot to say this is day 11, I believe. Let me just double check this real quick. I believe it is day 11. It should be day 11. Um, let's see. Oh, it's day 12. That's crazy. Day 12. Sorry, guys. The weekend got me messed up a little bit. It is day 12. So let's break it down. Let's hide all the drawings. Let's look at the EMAs and let's break it down. So, wow, okay. 20 and 50, 20 and 50, they crossed. As you guys can see right here. Oh, no, this is the old cross. Excuse my language. Excuse me. So, this is the old cross, nothing too crazy. The 5 and the 10. So, the stock itself, it climbed up to $53, $54. It touched literally the 10 EMA and it rejected it. Rejected it pretty hard in my opinion. But also if you think about it, the whole market was down. SPY was down, everything was down today. But we did see rejection off the 10 EMA. Shorter term, I'm seeing it as bearish. Longer term, I'm seeing it as bullish. The reason why I say it's bearish for now, it's because it's still under majority of the EMAs. It did reject both of them, but this looks like a inverted hammer in my opinion. It is a type of candle that basically indicates bullish momentum or about to be bullish momentum. Um, in my opinion, it's still been consolidating. It's just been ranging right now. But let's get rid of this and let's add the drawings. Ready? All right, drawings are here. What is this? Let's zoom in just a little bit. Sorry. What is this? I don't know what that was. Consolidation. So it is between right now supports of 147 ish and 151. It broke the resistance of 151 today, and it went into the consolidation from last week. It chilled there for a little bit and then it dropped right back down to the 150 level. As I always say, the 150 level is very important. It's a very strong level in my opinion to break. But it did have a lot of bullish upside. So I'll break this down for you in the 15-minute chart. Like I said, I really do not use the 15-minute chart, but in certain cases, like to see momentum and see where what's happening, what's not happening, I like to break this down. So, what is today? Today is the 26th. 26 right here. So, stock open right here at 150. This big candle had 9 million and the average is like 2 million a pop. So you guys can see right here, I don't know, yeah, right here on the mouse, right here it says like the volume count. So if you look, if I hover over any candle, it says the amount of volume there is. So like for example, usually it's between 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. It's around 1 or 2 million every 15 minutes. This candle itself had 9 million people decided to say, hey, Apple's gonna come up today. And that's what it did. Apple went up to it broke resistance right here. Then it kept climbing. Another 5 million, 4 million, 4 million, another 5. All these people went in saying, yo, I'm gonna buy this stock. It broke resistance, went all the way up to 53.91, I believe. No, 53.74, and then it dropped. And it wasn't a big drop per se. It was like a $3 move, and both sides actually, because it went from around 148 to 153, and then it rejected it. In my opinion, uh, what's it called? Like I saw this in the morning. So what happens is, in the morning, if you see like a big push up, so if you see like a stock right here and it just pushes all the way up and up and up and up, do not you could get it into play. I would suggest that, but like make sure you have stop losses and targets, and because what happens is sellers got in right here. I mean, buyers got in right here. Buyers got in right here. All right. They was like, yo, the stock is going crazy. They wrote it up. They wrote it up to 153, and then all of a sudden sellers started coming in, or that's when what's it called? Sorry, someone's going off. That's when everything happened. So if I was a buyer, I would have exited like right here, on this candle, this green candle. But buyers usually they get greedy. So what's it called? They wait. They're like, yo, the stock is going up. Is it gonna go higher than 150? Is it gonna go fill that gap up? And then boom, it drops all the way down. Make sure you always have profit targets and everything. Alright, so let's break it down into the hourly. Let's see what's up. Hourly, you could see 23 million in an hour, right? The average amount is usually like 8 million, 7 million. Nothing crazy. It's still like it tested resistance twice today. So it broke resistance, it dropped down and went to lowest was 150-ish. Then it tested the 151 level, as you guys can see right here, and it's just on it. It hasn't gone up, gone down. What I can anticipate tomorrow, excuse me, before I even do that, RSI on the hourly, it is 45.44. Let's look at the EMAs real quick. I want to look at the EMAs and then we'll decide like what is up. Let's hide all the drawings real quick. So I got the sniffles. This week it's like the weather's been on and off. So, okay. 5 and 10, it's been crossing up and down. I wouldn't, look at the 5 and 10 right now. Look at the longer trends. So like the 20 and the 50. So right now the candle, this candle right here, when it last closed on, it is above the 5 and 10, which is good. It is on the 20, which is it's not good or bad right now. It's on the 20. What we can see tomorrow, let me see. Yeah. Alright, so what we can see tomorrow, I always like doing this and I love drawing it out. What we can see tomorrow, remember what I said, there's gonna be like a little pullback. I said this in other videos, there's gonna be a little pullback. So what I can anticipate tomorrow is it got to break support, touch this, and just consolidate for a little bit. Or it could touch support, reject this, and consolidate a little bit. I'm not really expecting a big move because there's a lot of events coming out this week, such as meetings, earnings. There's a lot of key events popping out this week. I still have to say though, I still have to say that this candle, right? This thing has to get filled. This what's it called? This gap, it has not gotten filled yet, and I'm still waiting. I bought some calls recently, for November 18th, I believe. So we have until November. I bought like around here because I anticipate what's it called? I anticipate a bigger movement. My stop loss would be probably below 147 range, but my profit target would be like right here around this range, probably like the 163. That's a $13 move, that's a big move. My risk to reward ratio is pretty fine. So tomorrow there will be another video, aka day 13 out of day 30. I hope you guys enjoy, this series. Any questions, comments, concerns about stocks, Apple, Tesla, anything you guys want to talk about stock related, just hit me up. My DMs are always free. And I hope you guys have a blessed one.